See, this is the question asked by Amazon in March 2023. So according to this question, we need to find out the top employee based upon the number of customer responses he or she has received. Now, the customer response is the response where the customer leave his phone number. Now, how do we calculate those responses where the customer leave his or her phone number as a response? For that, what we need the regex command. Regex command helps us to find out those responses where the customer leave his phone number. Now, let's see what the whole data set consists of by using this query. Select asterisk from customer underscore responses. When we run this query, we get this output. Response state, employee ID, customer response. Now, in some of the customer responses, we have the 10-digit number. In some, we don't have. So we need to find out those customer responses where the phone number has. And count those employees who have received that kind of responses. So select employee ID, count of employee ID as cust responses from table name as customer responses. Now where we're going to use regex command over here, like customer response number 0 to 9 and the length of the number is 10. Then we are going to use the group by so that it will give the values according to the employee ID. By employee ID. See the response. Now we have the employee IDs and the cust responses based upon the regex command which we have used. Now our next step is find out the top employees. Now we have two top employees, employee ID 1001 and 1006 because the responses are same. Now our output should be employee ID 1001 and 1006. Now how do we get these output? Now here I'm going to use one more function, that is rank. Now why I'm using the rank over here? Because I need to arrange the data in a particular order and provide the rank to every row so that I'm able to fetch the rank of these particular employee IDs based upon their cust responses. Now let's see how do we use the rank function. Rank over order by count of employee ID Now we need to arrange the data in descending order. By default, order by keyword uses the ascending order. But here I'm going to arrange in descending order. So I'm going to use DESE. Whenever you use the rank function, you need to provide the alias as RN. Now let's run this query to see the output of a rank. Now, see what we have done, order by cust responses, that is in descending order, and the rank is according to the values of cust responses. That is, if the value is higher, then the rank is 1 and 1. Okay. Now, what do we need? We need these two employee IDs. To get these two employee IDs, we are going to use this whole query as a subquery. Okay. So that we are able to use the answer of this query in outer query, which we are going to write. What do we need? Select employee ID, comma, cust responses from subquery. So this is the whole subquery. Whenever you write something as a subquery, we need to give the alias as. Now, if we are giving the alias, then cust responses we have created in this subquery, then we are going to write here t dot cust responses. Okay. Now, what do we need here? Only the values who have rank 1. Now, I'm going to write the condition where t dot rank rnk equal to 1. Now, let's run this query to see the output. So we get our desired output. I hope this query is understandable to you. Thank you.